Hello everyone. Today I will discuss the structure of the eyeball. As you can see, here I draw a simple picture of eyeball to explain the structure of the eye. Our eye is the primary organ of the vision. Our eye is mainly consists of some structures which is mentioned below. Number 1 is the eyelid. It is a thin fold layer of the skin that covers and protects our eye. Then sclera. Sclera is the backward continuation of the cornea. It is made up of mainly collagen fibers. It is white in color, and the function of the sclera is it protects our eye and maintain the shape of our eyeball. The human sclera is thickest near the optic nerve, where it is approximately 1 mm in thickness, and thinnest at the insertion of extraocular muscles, where it is approximately 0.3 mm. Then cornea. It is an avascular transparent tissue. It mainly consists of 5 layers. They are epithelium, stroma, endothelium, Bowman's membrane, and Descemet's membrane. The first 3 layers is considered as cellular layer, and the last 2 layers is considered as interface layer. The function of the cornea is it acts as a window that controls and focuses the entry of the light, and also it contributes 65 to 75% of the eye's total focusing power. Then conjunctiva. Conjunctiva is a thin, transparent mucosal membrane. It is divided mainly into palpebral conjunctiva, fornices, and vulvar conjunctiva. The function of the conjunctiva is provides protection and lubrication of the eyeball, and also prevents the microbial infection. Aqueous humor. It is a transparent watery fluid which is situated in the anterior chamber of our eyeball. It is produced by the ciliary body. The function of the aqueous humor is it provides oxygen and nutrients to our eyeball. Then vitreous humor. It is a transparent, clear, colorless and jelly-like fluid which is situated in the space between the lens and the retina. It consists of water, collagen, protein, salt and sugar. In all of these components, water is present in maximum amount. Then lens. It is a curved structure in the eye. It is a biconcave transparent disc which is made up of proteins called crystalline. The function of the lens is it bends the light and focuses in the retina to help in see the images. Then retina. It is the innermost layer. It is the light sensitive part also. The retina contains photoreceptors that detect the light. These photoreceptors are the rod cell and the cone cells. The rods helps us to see in the poor light, and the cones helps us to detect the color. The function of the retina is mainly to help us to see the images. Ciliary body. It is a circular structure that is an extension of the iris. The function of the ciliary body is it produces the aqueous humor. Then iris. It is a pigmented layer of the muscular tissue which gives the eye its color. Then choroid. It is the vascular layer of the eye. It is also the middle layer of the eyeball which is located between the sclera and the retina. The function of the choroid is it also provides nutrients and oxygen to the outer surface of the retina. Choroid is the thickest layer of the back of the eye. Our eyeball is mainly divided into 2 chambers. Here is the anterior chamber which contains the aqueous humor, and here is the posterior chamber which contains the vitreous humor. Also our eyeball contains 3 layers. Here first is the sclera, then second is the choroid layer, and third is the retina. Here is a small depression in the retina near the optic nerve. This small depression is called the fovea. the fovea has a high concentration of cone cells. It is the part of the retina where the visual acuity is the greatest. Here is the optic nerve, which is located at the back of the eyeball. It contains the axons of the retina ganglion cells and it transmits the impulses from the retina to the brain. The aqueous humor is mainly produced by the ciliary body, which provides oxygen and nutrients to the inner eye. Vitreous humor. It also helps in providing in oxygen and nutrients to the eye. Here is conjunctiva, which provides protection and lubrication of the eye by the production of the mucus and the tears. It also prevents the microbial entrance into the eye. Here is the iris. Here is the pupil, and it is our biconcave lens which helps us to see the images. And here is the suspensory ligaments, which is also known as ciliary body.